and it's a world record right here at the Six Flags over Texas and Arlington. That's a world record right there. 400 feet in the air on a swing.
I now pronounce Texas Skyscraper officially open. The Texas Skyscraper is the world's tallest swing ride. It's like nothing before that we've had in the state of Texas. When we decided we were going to put in a new ride, we wanted the biggest, the best. So we picked a world record, 400 feet in the air. It's transformed the skyline of the Metroplex. It's the tallest structure in Arlington. It's so far up there you can see the top of Cowboy Stadium. So we're really proud that it's become a new icon for the Metroplex. Everything's bigger in Texas, and at Six Flags Over Texas, we're always out to try and do the next big thing.